Alright. I've made a couple of caps for these speakers. 3D printer. Just a box. I don't know, it's like 2 millimeters high, 1 millimeter thick. And I gooped it on. Okay, now a lot of people will tell you to super glue these boxes on. I don't ever do that. If you do that, you make a mistake, then it's really hard to correct. So right here, we've got, they're gooped on. And goop absorbs vibration. So let's listen. Let's turn off this fan, go listen. Okay, as soon as you repeat, I'm going to turn up the volume a little bit. Now I've got bass all the way up and I've got treble down. Okay, let's listen again. It's going to repeat. Okay, it's got that whistling sound for the turbos. Totally works. So now these guys are way better. They're going to have much better sound. We're going to hook them up in a while and see how they sound with the decoder sounds.